Today is the 6th of February and I had surgery done on my nose on the 14th of January, so about 3.5 weeks ago. I had a deviated septum and a fracture on this side of my nose. The doctors had to do a septoplasty and a inferior turbinate something or other. Dr. Mumbo Jumbo, pretty much. I'm feeling so much better now. Like about a week after the surgery, I felt so sore, like my nose hurt like hell. I had a headache, I was swollen, I was bruised, I was puffy. As you can see right here, I looked horrible. My nose looked like it was leaning to one side, but that was because they did that drill thing through the nose and it was really swollen on this side and it was a little bit bruised as well. I ended up with like it looked like I had a big red pimple on my nose, like right here, but I don't exactly know what that was. I think it was part of the bruising and the swelling and that. But I'm feeling 10 billion times better now. Apart from the tip of my nose, which is still a little bit swollen. It's not bad though. And the inside of my nose, I've got a lot more airflow through my nose, but it's not completely 100% just yet. It's still slightly swollen all the way like down the back of my nose. And the tip of my nose is still a little bit sensitive, like right here, because they actually had to cut my septum out, take it out of my nose, fix the deviated septum, and then put it back in my nose and sew me back together. That was pretty fun when I was pulling the stitches out. Well, it took about a week and the stitches started to come out by themselves. Oh, yep. I don't know what it is about the nose, but it still gives me the heebie-jeebies to think about what they did inside my nose, but at least I was fast asleep and unconscious when they did it. But when I woke up, I was like, no, I felt so bad. But when they put me to sleep before the surgery, they gave me a little bit of an extra shot of morphine just before I went to sleep, and that was so fun. I was like smiling and laughing, and oh, I felt so good, but I didn't feel that good when I woke up. But the first thing I said when I woke up was, "Thank you, Charlie," because the surgeon's name was Charlie, and I said, "Thank you, Charlie. Thank you for not taking my tongue bar out." That was one of the main things that I didn't want to happen. I didn't want them to take my tongue bar out. And like, I don't know how long it would take for it to heal and if it would actually go back in, but I really didn't want to take the chance. And I was so happy that he didn't take it out, and I was just, "Thank you, Charlie." I really would have loved to see exactly what I was like when I woke up, but unfortunately they didn't have a camera at the hospital. I would have loved to show you just how out of it I was. It took me about 3 or 4 hours until I was a little bit more conscious, and I knew what was going on when I first woke up, but it took about half an hour for like the pain to start to kick in, and it took about 3 or 4 days for the anesthetic stuff to really wear off. And I'm feeling a lot better now. Like I was taking like a lot of Panadol, Panadeine Extra, Nurofen. I was in a lot of pain. Like the nose hurt like hell, and especially when I accidentally would flick myself in the nose. That was bad, and I'm very uncoordinated, so flicking myself in the nose all the time, yep, that happened. I don't get that much pain now. I don't like touching the tip of it because it still is a little bit sensitive, and that's what the doctor said when he gave me the aftercare pamphlet thingy before my surgery. It said that the tip of my nose will be sensitive for over a month or so, and yeah, it is a little bit. Just here, it's where they drilled the bone. It feels a little bit weird. Like if I pull this, if I get the skin here and I push it up, it actually hurts a little bit just here. But I guess that's because they were chipping and drilling inside my nose and, you know, going all ninja on my nose. Hopefully my nose won't look as fat as it is at the moment. It should take, I don't know, maybe 2 months or so until my nose goes back to normal, but it just feels like really, really puffy at the moment. So I will leave it at that, and I will see you guys next time.